We are gathered here today to do another Born Pretty review. Welcome. I'm your girl, American Gyaru. I am a consumer and I consume anything that's cutesy, girly, aesthetic, Gyaru style. So if you like my Gyaru inspired makeup style, then definitely subscribe, hit the notification bell. Thank you so much, Born Pretty, for sending me a new product of yours. And I'm really excited. You guys have wowed me already with that cool gel nail glue light set. I'm sure I mixed that up. It's a 6-in-1 gel nail glue. We're just gonna have some fun. Girl time, girl fun. Whenever it comes to like anything that I get, I like the surprise element. So I didn't even like research very much. I like to give a real good like first impressions. That's how it looks. Born Pretty, and it looks like it's like foil colors. So let's just razzle dazzle. Wow, so it looks like that. And it came with 6 different gel colors. User's manual. Clean your nails, push cuticles back, use a nail filer, yada yada. Luckily, I don't have my nails done. I've been really into like gel nails because it's just so much more practical and functional these days with work and all. I am very, very excited. I do have my nail kit out. I just never know where inspiration takes me. Feeling pretty spring actually. And I just got my toes done. I'm really just a one-tone nail polish type of girl, but this time I just was really feeling spring and pastels. So I went with that, and so my toes are like all different colors. I have a video. I did a hangout with me. So I don't know if you girls like the hangout with me's, but let me know. As a YouTube content consumer, I love like watching like videos that are kind of like lots of movement. And so I figured maybe you guys would like that too. I don't know. But, you know, staying idle, generally speaking, can be very boring. And I'm not about to be bored today. To give you guys a better idea of how these nail polishes look, I'm going to actually paint them on nails. And that way you guys can see how it turns out. So let me just go ahead with the first one. And as far as the names goes, it just has like a number askew in the back. Let me shake her up a little bit. Shake it off. It's like a pink set, is it? It looks like it's a pink set. This is the first one. It's really pretty. It's very pastel pink. It's very light rose pink color. Oh, wow. So it's like different shades of pink. This is like a very light purple. Then we got a different pink, like a tulip pink. It's really pretty. Okay, so I already have an idea of what I want to do. I'm definitely going to be doing an ombre. These sets make it really easy because it gives you enough options to be creative, and all the shades go together. So if you want to use them all on your nails, then you could do that. Because let's face it, what girl doesn't love pink? I wasn't really into pink before, actually. I don't know why I am. It's a mood thing. I love all colors. It just depends on the season and my mood. So I just love it all. I loves it all. This is so awesome. I'm so excited. How should we style my nails, girls? Like, what's your favorite go-to nail polish color? What is your favorite go-to style? Share. Don't be stingy. I'm gonna bring this camera down and we're gonna see just how these colors look. It's like a pre-run. I'm here. So let me know what you dolls think. These are the colors. Because these nails make me feel so excited, so motivated, and just really inspired for spring. I'm feeling really cutesy. So we're going to do a little remix of my pink nails, a little Gyaru flared. So definitely stay tuned if you want to see how my nails come out. I'm excited. I'm excited. My mind is going. I'm getting the willies. I'm getting super, super hyped. I'm getting super, super hyped. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to prep my nails a little bit. Definitely you can do it with me. Bend and snap, girls. Don't need to spend a lot to feel fabulous. It's about having fun, making yourself happy, putting smiles on your face. I know it sounds superficial. I know what it sounds like. But trust that the result is a happier moment, a happier minute, a happier hour, a happier day, a happier week, a happier month, and then a happier freaking year. 2022. I don't care if it's June. I don't care if it's July. I don't care if it's December. I don't care if it's December 31st, 2022. Anytime I'm like, I feel like, oh, you know, I'm down on myself, like there's all these things that I wanted to do, I'm not accomplishing them. Girl, don't even let that, that's just bogus. Just tell yourself the next day, or even sooner the better. Hey, it's 2022. I got some 2022 goals I need to achieve. Boom. I have all this energy, motivation. That's what I do. It works fantastic because you have all that extra inspiration to start your 2022 goals in June and just keep resetting yourself. I don't care if you have to do it daily. Just do it like Nike. I kind of do it every season. Maybe that's why I'm seasonal. To reset myself, change up my space, and you know, every so often, because it brings in new energy, fresh energy, and it resets my mind. So I just do all these things, dolls. It could be sound on the surface very vain, but trust that it gets you a result, and the result is a happier, more exuberant, excitable, happy, mooded person. And how can anyone complain about that? If they do, they need to start watching my videos. Okay, but you'll let them know, right? Between me and you. If not, totally do. You also want to make sure that your nails are like the same size so that it looks more even. Okay, so actually I just put in my earrings. Aren't they so adorable? I just do random things. Whatever, like I said, makes me happy. It's actually my sister's, and I'm just using hers. And just a little tip, if you're like me who puts a pretty thick layer on, cure your nails for a couple of seconds before you move on to the next nail that you're going to be painting, because if not, then the gel polish will start seeping through onto your skin, and that creates a really big mess. I'm going to go with this light pink marble. This is so cute. A little extra build up here, so I'm just filing it off. This is what goes on behind the scenes. I don't think that this lighting is doing it any justice. This is Born Pretty 6-in-1 nail glue, and you can check out my other video if you want, but this literally is like an adhesive for like accessories that you want to put on your nails. Amazing, amazing technology. So again, check out Born Pretty. I am an avid lover of them. You know me, doing a Gyaru twist on everything. Look what I found, a cute little Easter bunny. Alright dolls, my phone is gonna die. But I'm just gonna finish up with the clear coat nail glue / gel. Just gonna put them over my nails, seal everything in, make it shiny. I'll take some photos, but it's really fun. Again, fun. Gyaru nails. And who says short nails isn't fun? Follow me on my Instagram. I'll take some photos and just follow me on my Instagram anyway. Let's be friends. These are my nails. They're super cute, super fun, and they just put me in a really happy mood, and I'm sure they will do the same for you. Thank you so much, Born Pretty, for sending me this amazing set. Y'all are my fave. You've got everything that I'm looking for and more. You've inspired me. It's just so affordable. I just love Born Pretty. I love your technology. I love how you're able to create such innovative products. Dolls, if you are interested, I will definitely leave the links down below so you can pick yourself up some. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comment section below what you think. Also, let me know of any other content ideas that you would like me to show you, dolls. It's been so much fun. And that's what us girls do. We have so much fun. I'm obsessed now with accessories, nail accessories. I've been meaning to do a pamper video, but I just haven't. And I finally opened up the box of these cute items, and I'm going to have a giveaway in that. So we still have our ongoing giveaway again. So don't forget to subscribe if you are new. Don't forget to comment, hit that notification bell to be entered. 2 lucky dolls. And I will do a review of all the giveaway products. But go back to all my videos. The details of the giveaway is in the description box below. Stay gorgeous, stay beautiful, stay amazing, stay fun and creative. Stay childlike, keep shining as you should, and do not let anyone else make you feel otherwise, because you are a star. Mwah. Bye, dolls.